Jerry Seinfeld wrote jokes every single day for decades. When asked his secret, he said, "Get a big wall calendar, mark an X every day you write, and don't break the chain." The visual momentum of a growing chain becomes its own motivation. Loss aversion is 2x stronger than gain motivation, according to Kahneman and Tversky. After 10 days of chain, losing the streak hurts more than gaining day 11 feels good. The Seinfeld strategy hijacks this bias. You keep going not for the reward, but to avoid breaking the chain. Rule 1. One chain per critical habit. Don't dilute with 10 chains. Rule 2. Make the minimum daily requirement embarrassingly small. Write one joke, do one push-up, read one page. Rule 3. Never miss twice. One missed day equals life. 2 missed days equals new habit of not doing it. Use a physical wall calendar for maximum visual impact or digital tools like Streaks, iOS, Loop Habit Tracker, Android, or a simple Notion checkbox database with a heat map formula. The key is visibility. Your chain should be the first thing you see each morning. Pick one skill you want to build. Define a 2-minute daily minimum. Start your chain today. Print the free chain calendar from the description and put it where you can't ignore it.